Hello, good evening, everyone, and welcome to this episode of Web Development Training. This forms part of the series that is going to continue from now till the end of the series, where we'll be able to design our own websites, host it, and then manage it. For this series, we are going to learn about the basic design tools that we all need to know before we can dive into the web development process. Prior to this, and then previously, there were a lot of design tools available, which are mostly running on desktops like Adobe and others. But currently, most of these tools are online right now, making it possible for everyone to design wherever they are, regardless of the location. All you need is the internet. So we are going to learn about one simple tool that I've been using for all these years and is very effective. And the name is canva.com. It's an online graphic design tool. It also comes with it templates and then other premium services. So if some of the designs you want to buy them, some of them are premium and some of them are also free, which you can customize. So on the screen, you will see that we have a Google search window here. And in it, we have the canva.com. So it means if you want to start with canva.com, you can go online and type canva.com, and then you see the link there. So you click and then you sign up. The sign up is just a simple process. And then at the end of the day, to create an account for you so that you can have access to some of the free templates that I also use for most of my premium website projects. So without wasting my time, let's look at where we need to start from. So on the screen, you see the link here with free design tools, presentation, and other description. That would lead you to canva.com. So you click on it and you send it to their page and then you register. On this tutorial, I've already signed up with canva.com. When you're having difficulty in signing up, you can send me a mail and I'll guide you. So when you sign in with canva.com, there's the interface you would see. Very nice interface with all the graphics and then templates that you need to edit to use in your website. So we can see we have the home page, and then you have these are templates that you see here, and also included are some of my recent designs which you would use as an example. So we have presentation templates, we have Facebook post templates, we have whiteboard templates, and a whole lot depending on what you want to do. Currently, I use one of these templates that you see here, video templates, which I will use to produce my videos that relates to what we are talking about now. When you scroll down, these are a section that always presents to you your recent designs. So these are templates I've been using. I didn't design them from scratch, but then I just did some editing on those templates that I needed, and then I imported it into my website. So you can see we have tons of it here that I've worked with. These are all from this particular platform I'm introducing you to. So we are going to create a simple website banner because we'll be dealing with website here and there. One critical thing about website is, the banners and the images, you understand. So we are going to just create a simple website banner, and then we'll see how we can also export it and then save it into other pen drives or our local machines. So with much ado, let's begin with one example. So assuming I want to create any of the designs I want, I can come to the categories. You can see that we have business, and then under the business we have these are all templates. We come to the design spotlight. We have these are all templates. So let's assume we want to create a banner image for our website. What do I mean by banner? Most of the website that we see comes with banners. So let me open one as an example, then you see. So let's say there's this website I've done. It's in the Brunei region of Ghana. Okay. So I'm opening it, then I'll use it as a reference point to show you what I mean by banners. Okay, so as it loads, yeah, it's almost done. Good, we are there. So this is still loading. This is one of the websites that is running currently, and by the end of the training, everybody will be able to build something like this. It's loading. So we're just focusing on what a banner is on a website. We'll get into that state, that series very soon when we're done with the basic graphic design tools. Okay, so these are banners. These are all called banners. So what is sliding here is called a banner. So we'll learn how to do them. We'll learn how to do all these things during our course. So these are all banners. So we can use the tool that we are learning right now, the canva.com, to work on such banners. So let's go back there. So if you want to do or design any of this, what you need to do first, after logging into your canva.com, you click on banner maker. You can see that it's opening for you. So as it's loading, then you can click on your start designing your banner. So you can see that Canva will present you with an empty template. So this is your working area. This is your working area. Okay. I'm also adding another website that has to do with the banners. So we can better understand what the banner does to us when we design our website. You can use the banner to communicate with information across board to your end users or your visitors on the website. It depends on your creativity skills, but the more you use the Canva, the more you become used to it. So this one is also loaded. So these are all banners. These are all banners that we can create with canva.com. These are all banners. These are all banners that we can create. This is another example of a banner we can also create. So let's go back to our stage. So this is a working stage. You can see that on your left, you have templates. These are called templates. Some of them are free. Some of them are, paid and all that. So if you're designing, let's say something about food, you can type in your food, and the Canva will give you sample of food templates. So you can see that these are premium one. Where you have the crown is the premium, but where we don't have the crown is the free, which you can edit. So let's assume you want to create this one. You double click on it and voila, it's there. It will be added into your working area. So this is a template you are going to edit. So assuming you want this, and then you want to change the font, you double click on it. You'll get used to it as you play with it most of the time. So let's say Learn It Food. So it becomes the name of your banner. You can extend it. Okay, you can extend this one as well. If you get to know that the size are kind of very huge, you can reduce it here. So on top is the font manipulator. You can manipulate your font there. So this is Learn It Food. You double click on this one. You can put anything you want to put there, like everything food or something. It's just like a motto or something. Everything food is ours. Is us. So that's okay. And then these are the backgrounds. You want to also bring in your own background from the web. So you can go to the web, Google. When you are using web images from the web, mostly you have to use the free licensed one, so that you will not find yourself wanting. So see, these are where you can get some of the free images to work with. Pexel.com. So with Pexels, you can get free stock photos to work with. So I can type food or African food. These are the things we do when we design a website that you see, premium projects and all that. So I can say African foods, and then this website will give me a whole lot. So let's say I want this, so I click on it. And then you can see that free download. So I'll download it. It will give me the highest dimension that I want. I'll say download selected size, and then the system will download it for me automatically. Okay, so you can see that it's downloading. So let's wait for it to finish downloading, and then we'll import it into our project. Okay, so it's done. So let's go back to our Canva, and then we want to change this background here. So we can right click and then say delete. So we want to bring our own background. We go to upload. So look at the downloads. Where is yep, is this one, and then you click on open. So Canva will upload the file into your account or your dashboard, then you can import it. So you click on it, so you can see that it's being displayed on your working area. So you can drag and position it. So I want it to cover the whole space like this. Yep. Then I can right click and drag to reposition it. You can see that it has covered the earlier design. So what we'll do is you right click on it simply like this and say send to back, and then voila, we are there. So assuming we are done with this, and I want to save, so that in the later part of our design process we can add it to our website. So what we do is click on share, and then you go to download. So the download would always give you the extension. Normally you leave it like that. PNG is okay for the web. Then you go to download, and then the system will download it for you on the download folder. So you can see that it's done, as you see here. Okay, so let's view what we have designed. Okay, so you open it like this, and then let's look at a design that has been exported into our local system from the web. So yep, this is our design. Very nice and easy to work with. That is Canva for you. So you can see that this is our design. We can import it into our website, and then it will make the website look very cool. So you can see that it wasn't that complicated, but the more you use the Canva and the template, the more you get used to it, and the more your design skill will also improve. So I want to thank you for this, coming to watch this video, and then we'll see each other in the next part, which will be integrating the banners and editing them into other formats. Thank you very much for watching, and have a nice day. Bye bye.